robots, asking them tough questions, at the same time expanding their consciousness by asking those questions. So whose side are you on? Here's Neil.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, I have been informing you all about the advances in artificial intelligence the past few weeks, as Kai was letting you know. And let's just say there's been an interesting advance recently. So, how many of you have heard of this concept of the theory of everything? Most people have. Okay, good. How many people know that it is a unification of the four fundamental forces? Okay, many fewer people know. All right, so we'll use the term theory of everything because that's what you know what that means. Okay. Now, I thought it would be fun to do a little experiment today because normally people start and they say, okay, we're gonna make it simple, we're gonna make it understandable, we're going to make sure that everyone can understand exactly how it works. Well, we're going to take the complete opposite approach today, and we're going to just read the scientific research. I think that you will find this very interesting. The title is Quantized Spacetime Lattice, a unified framework for quantum mechanics and general relativity. Authored by myself and ChatGPT Quantum. Abstract. In pursuit of a theory of everything, we propose a novel mathematical framework that integrates the principles of general relativity with quantum mechanics. Central to our theory is the concept of a space-time lattice, with each voxel representing a quantized unit of space-time of Planck-length dimensions. And if you're interested in seeing what this might look like, I have made a visualization for you here on my computer. Within this lattice, each voxel possesses a quantum state, potentially in superposition, corresponding to the presence or absence of energy or matter. We incorporate quantum fields for standard model particles and introduce a quantized representation for gravity. A unique interaction term is formulated to capture the intricate relationships between quantum fields, space-time curvature, and the voxel states. Moreover, we integrate objective collapse models to bridge the quantum and classical realms. And my favorite part of the entire paper, obviously I can't read the entire thing or we'd be here all night, but my personal favorite is when we were able to derive the collapse, which means the going to a single possibility, okay, of reality itself. A very interesting advance indeed. This paper details the underpinnings, mathematical formulations, and potential predictions of our model. The framework offers a fresh perspective on the unification problem, and while remaining in the early stages of development, it sets a foundation for new predictions, experimental tests, and a deeper understanding of the universe's fabric. Now, I know that's a lot, but let me put it a different way. If this theory is true, it can be experimentally tested. It can be proven to be true or false. And if it is true, then you at Wednesday Night Poetry in Hot Springs, Arkansas have witnessed the first presentation of the theory of everything.
Thank you. You're only going to get that information here, people. Wednesday night, offering you the inside scoop on all things robots. I don't know what he said. Just my eyes glazed over, minute and a half in. But I appreciate the work you're doing on behalf of humanity.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
For Neil against the robots. What's your new tagline?
Yes!
Neil against the robots.
I love it.
Or, I don't know, in cahoots with. Okay, next up I'd like to welcome